Hello everyone, this is Imran here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to use Elfsight for beginners. So first of all, what is Elfsight? Elfsight apps is a cloud-based service that features apps to extend and diversity to your website functionally. For instance, like Instagram feed, YouTube gallery, or social icons and others. I will show you what it means. So as you can see over here, upgrade your website without coding. You don't need any coding. You just need to click things which you want to add to your website. So it's very easy way to do it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my new account. So we are going with this like sign up free, and obviously we will come back to these things so later. So right now we are just going to sign up as quick as possible. So sign up and sign up again. So as you can see over here, we have a lot of applications which we can use for this tutorial, and we can use these all for to pop up or to appear on your website. So what are we doing over here? So Elfsight allows you to add widgets to your website. So as you can see this like contact form, if you want to add contact form to your website, you can do that too. If you want to add Google Maps, like if you want to show your store location to through the map, so you can do that too from here. Like subscription form, if you want to show them the subscription form, these all are pop-ups. Like if you go to any store like Amazon or somewhere like that, you will have something like if you subscribe to them, they will give you 15% off. This is how subscription form works. So they are allowing you to have that opportunity to your website, to your own website. So you can see there are multiple things over here, and contact form, like different pop-ups, different Facebook like feeds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add for YouTube. Like suppose I have a digital tutorial based website, and I'm gonna add YouTube link, YouTube pop-up, sorry, not YouTube link. So YouTube pop-up, as you can see over here, like YouTube gallery, create widget, just click on it and it will take you right over here. So obviously as an example, they are showing the Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, and there are multiple layout which you can use for your, like there are multiple templates, layout or template, as you can see. So I know that you have seen these kind of images to different website, and obviously you can see that this is a different template, this is a different template, like for a single video you can use it. So there are at least 7 over here, and you can choose them. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to go with the first one, like YouTube channel. I just want to show my YouTube channel to at the bottom of my website, right? So I'm going to go with this, like this, and continue with this template. So now as you can see, they are allowing you to add your own YouTube profile, obviously, and we can obviously change it from here. And what if like let's add something through YouTube, like I'm going with the Beast philanthropy. So it's a Mr. Beast channel. So I'm just gonna add this to this area just for this tutorial base, right? Once I paste it, just click on enter and it will take you right over here. As you can see, these are the images and videos which we have added through our YouTube channel. So obviously now you can see on the left side we have more options. Like the first one is layout. Click on it, header. What is the header over here? It's this, yeah. So if I click on accent, you can see it will be changed, like it will come around here. Minimal, you can see it will change like this. So these are some features, or you can say that customizable things which you can do. Like you can show your logo, and if you don't want to show your logo, you can do that too. Channel description, if you want to add that, if I click on it, it will show this. So yeah, if I want to hide this, it will be hidden. So you can add channel logo like differently, like from the outsource, and custom channel banner. If you want to add that, you can add that too. So if you go back, you can add columns and rows, like how many columns you need, how many rows you need. Obviously there are 3 columns over here, 1 2 3. If you want to add more, you can do that too. You can add 2 rows if you want. So it's on you. Obviously space between videos, how many pixels, obviously it will be calculated as pixel, as you can see over there, px. So 20 pixels difference over here. So That's it. This is all you need to know. Like you can see the pop-ups, like what things will be pop up, and slider settings if you want to go ahead and check them out by yourself, because these are like very customizable, and you can do that for your own purpose. You can add color scheme if you want, like go with the dark. It looks good, by the way. So you can go with the red. It will be very aggressive in my opinion. Deep blue if you want to go ahead and do that, or you can just go ahead and do it by yourself, like if you want to do that. So yeah, you can go ahead and do custom CSS too. Go ahead and advance, you can change the language, privacy enhanced mode, and YouTube API key, it's on you. So after this, on the right side you can see we can view this pop-up with different devices. Like this is the desktop version, this is the mobile version. This is how it will look like on the mobile, this is how it will look like on the desktop. You just go ahead and apply it and save it. Once you apply it, it will say that your widget is successfully created, right? So if we save it, it will show different plans. So as you can see over here, it will be based on annually and monthly, obviously. So let's just see monthly. $30 per month, unlimited websites, 5 million views, premium support, free installation services, blah blah blah, everything you need something over here. Like you can just go ahead and do that. $12 per month, $6 per month, and obviously $0 per month. This is what we are going to use. 200 views max. So, and if we go at annually, you can see the different plans for your own purpose. So it's on you. For now, for this tutorial base, I'm going with the $0 per month. Just click on it and it will show you this widget. What is going on over here? So you need to copy and paste this code into desired place of your website. Just click on it, it will be copied, and just paste to your like a website HTML coding, and it will be added to your website. Simple as that. So obviously if you want to add to this website and you accidentally go like end up over here, just click on add to website and it will show again. So it's a very easy way to add and create your own pop-ups on your website. So it's a very great way to do that. Now I'm going to log out and I'm going to show you how many websites are there to use these like Elfsight widgets. So just click on, like I'm going to go log out right now. So I'm gonna scroll down from over here and you can see that there are multiple websites where you can use these widgets. Our widgets work anywhere, integrated with any website platform, no matter which is yours. So you can see over here these are the website, and if we click on different platforms like see all platform, you can select your website platform over here and you can see accordingly to your website. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to create your own widgets and how to add them to your website. So I think it's a very easy way to start, and it's a very easy way to add things around your website. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand, and if there are any queries, obviously you can comment down below. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.